Torrential slide appears to have arrived at an essential interest wall in the wake of seeing its fairly estimated worth drop by over half throughout recent weeks. The absence of purchasers at current cost levels is an admonition signal. That is the overall anticipation for the crypto market. Glancing back at what we had on AVAX, the crypto business crashing appears to be dreamlike, practically unfathomable. What is Avalanche and AVAX? AVALANCHE has confidence in the Avalanche convention's level headed to develop areas of strength for A and power-effective digital money network for applications, dApps, exceptional installment natives, and new interconnecting blockchains. The AVAX convention is fostering a new tokenized economy by means of its progressive mechanical methodology, which incorporates consistent physical and virtual resource exchange, particular installment application natives and subordinate items, Web 3.0 confidential information and social applications, and significantly more. Torrential Slide is the blockchain area's quickest brilliant agreements digital money organization. The organization has by a long shot the most validators of each and every POS convention, which guarantees its movement. Besides, the Avalanche network is a lightning-quick lower expenses and harmless to the ecosystem stage. Once more, any shrewd agreement-based application could outperform its opponents on Avalanche. Torrential Slide's mainnet went live on September 21, 2021. From that point onward, the stage has gotten more than 200 distinct ventures, more than $14 million of AVAX consumed, north of 1,000 other block offering validators, and more than 600 local area individuals around the world. Torrential Slide features the platform chain, P-chain, the exchange chain, X-chain, and the contract chain are totally integrated into Avalanche, C-chain. Each of the three blockchains are validated and gotten by Avalanche's principal organization. The P-chain is an organization of interconnected hubs, platform chain, Avalanche's metadata blockchain, which controls authenticators and custom subnets, is known as the P-chain. Validators stake AVAX on the P-chain to shield the organization. The X-chain is an organization of interconnected PCs. The X-chain is Avalanche's default resource blockchain, which takes into consideration resource building and exchanging. This Avalanche blockchain is intended for exchanges that need high throughput and speedy fulfillment. For dApps, utilize the C-chain. The C-chain is a progression of connections in a chain, contract chain. The C-chain is Avalanche's default shrewd agreement blockchain, allowing engineers to make Ethereum viable projects and resources at lower costs and speedier exchanges. Do you figure Avalanche will in any case be a feasible cryptographic money in 2022, now that we find out about it? How about we concentrate on the outlines together in this AVAX cost examination and AVAX cost projection. AVAX price history. The Avalanche digital money has been on a strong negative pattern during the first profoundly unstable days, dropping 25.0% over the most recent 14 days. Torrential Slide cost has recently shown gigantic potential and presently may be an ideal second to purchase, given the promising business sector cap. While contrasting the ongoing worth with the most recent 30 days cost history, nonetheless, today is certain that AVAX's cost has dropped by 4.7%. In any case, AVAX currencies are a sound venture expansion to your drawn-out mint piece assortment. The cost vacillated between a base typical cost of $48.06 and a high typical cost of $146 in the past 90 days, addressing a 208% swing. All through the past 4 months, Avalanche has been on the ascent. As an outcome, we expect that comparative region of the market at the time were common. Torrential Slide's exchanging volume has expanded in the past 4 months, as per the latest figures. The size of the market and complete stock affects the cost today. On May 4, 2022, renowned crypto venture company Valkyrie proclaimed that it needs to send off an Avalanche trust for institutional wagers on the chain's local AVAX token. This will likewise assist financial backers in Valkyrie with getting more openness to the Avalanche blockchain convention. This association with Valkyrie will without a doubt open more entryways for future ventures with the Avalanche environment. AVAX's ongoing cost is $24.34 as of the hour of compassing. The coin's cost is somewhat underneath its 50-day and 100-day moving average, showing negative energy in its 4-hour graph. AVAX moved starting with one zone then onto the next, while bouncing back from the help level as of late. AVAX specialized oscillators highlight the sell zone. We expect a cost expansion before very long. Torrential slide price prediction 2022. The ongoing pullbacks in the crypto market have likewise seen AVAX arrive at ups and downs. As indicated by our avalanche cost expectation for 2022, we foresee they will be a critical recuperation for AVAX coins before the finish of 2022. We likewise anticipate that AVAX should have a greatest cost of $35.05 and a typical cost of $32.76. The most reduced cost for the coin before 2022 finishes will be $30.66. Torrential slide price prediction 2023. New turns of events and organizations could drive the AVAX further up. Per our AVAX cost expectation for 2023, the coin is supposed to have a most extreme cost of $40.99 and a typical cost of $37.85. The base cost of AVAX is anticipated to be $32.98. Torrential slide price prediction 2024. As per our Avalanche cost forecast 2024, we anticipate that the coin should have a base cost of $30.75. We anticipate that AVAX should outperform the $40 cost mark in 2024. Torrential slide price prediction 2025. There is a high chance that the AVAX token will reach $50 in 2025. This must be conceivable, assuming that the market stays great. Our Avalanche cost expectation 2025 puts AVAX's greatest cost esteem at $53.77. We hope to see a huge Avalanche cost ascend when contrasted with 2024. Once more, the Avalanche coin is supposed to have a base cost of $43.49. Torrential slide price prediction 2026. In 2026, AVAX could encounter slight pullbacks, with the cryptographic money's worth expected to exchange somewhere in the range of $40 and $48. The coin's typical cost is supposed to be $44.64. Torrential slide price prediction 2027. Our Avalanche cost forecast 2027 predicts that the coin will cross a value level of $58 in 2027. In the interim, Avalanche is supposed to arrive at any rate cost of $47.99 this year. The most extreme cost might reach $69.56. Torrential slide price prediction 2028. By 2028, Avalanche is anticipated